In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 89 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 8. We know that 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract, we get a 0. As 0 is less than 2, so we will bring down this adjacent 9 here. Now see that we can remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2, but we have no number to bring down here. So in this situation, we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 2 times 5 is 10. If we subtract, we get a 0. Now as we have obtained the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore 89 divided by 2 is equal to 44.5, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.